land this thing.
Are you ready?
1,000.
I'm not sure really. I'm sweating. I'm really sweating. It's
Very nice.
It's a little bit stressful here.
Everything is perfect.
Yeah.
You just follow these indications.
You're too kind. Really.
No, you're doing very nice. And if you have reference, so if you're missed with the computer, just take a look out and just put the runway between your legs, as we said,
Ah, yes.
and go there.
I'll put the runway between my legs.
Yeah.
Wait 1 second. I'm working on putting the runway between my legs. Right here. Okay. Oh, purple. Yes, purple. I'm moving
500.
Very nice, perfect. Yeah, little bit high, but very little.
Like this. Yes.
Very gentle in your movements. You are very close to the ground,
Yes.
so gentle. Don't be. Very nice.
Runway between my legs.
Very nice. Continue going down. Very good, very good. With this little bit to the left, and then
50, 40,
start to push.
30, 20, 10.
Very nice. You see?
Oh my God! Well, where's the brake?
It's braking automatically.
Oh, whoa. Okay, so and I have to still control the. Okay.
Yeah, now with your feet, you can
I can
press
control
little bit,
yes,
little
to
bit.
the left.
Yeah, now brake. You're because
How do I brake?
touching you this corner. Now you are braking with the foot, with the feet.
Okay.
To fully stop. So
Yes. How do I do that?
no, to fully stop with your feet.
Yes.
Press with the toes to fully stop, and then we will set the parking brake.
Oh my
Both-
God. Oh.
Both are the same.
Oh my God.
Very good, perfect. More.
Oh
yeah.
yes. This is the handbrake.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not.
Don't. Very good. Press again. Press again.
again?
The feet
Yes.
with the toes.
Okay, I'm pressing.
Very good. And parking brake is set. You did it. You see? Congratulations.
I'm like sweating.
No, believe me, much better than
Oh my God.
many pilots.
Oh, thank you very much. You're a good guy, really. Thank
No, you are good. I did nothing.
you. Oh yeah, no, you've been doing